美国加州的研究人员将对轻更崛起的十层楼高的建筑来进行大地动的测试，发现讲耐震的效果是真好哦，嘛突破过去上悬只当起6层楼高的限制。
这栋10号起的老厝拄着地动，伫遐摇厉害呢。不过免着惊，这毋是真正的地动，是圣地亚哥的研究员伫大楼下底安装有连的地动器，当咧测试建筑结构的完整性。加州是地动活跳的地区，1989年旧金山规模6.9的大地动，1994年洛杉矶地区规模6.7的北岭地动，分别造成63个甲57个人死亡。专家用感光强度的地动来测量质量较轻的更固大楼。
In earthquake-prone regions, lightening up your structural system is going to be critical because Newton's law doesn't go away. Force is mass times acceleration. If you reduce the mass, then you've automatically reduced the forces. That's really what we want to do as structural designers.
专家认为，轻质的建材会当减轻地动的灾害，所以这摆的实验特别用超薄的钢材起做的10号柱做测试，结果发现耐震度真好。成功打破这种建材敢会当起6层楼的相关规定。另外，这项测试嘛咧观察建筑钢线甲加强的零件敢有动头。
So we're looking for an innovative building system that we can use in the United States that can work in earthquake country as well as everywhere else, can be constructed quickly, can be sustainable.
专家希望用这届测试做基础，替建筑工程建立新模式，会当起诉更较轻、更较袂遐快伫地动内底受损的主体。公司新闻，詹慧敏编译。